Welcome to our discussion on how to minimize incidents as a result of texting and driving. My name is Kristen Beal, and I'll be reviewing this proposed concept entitled Student-Driven Learning through the Graduated Driver's License Process. Distracted driving marketing campaigns have been implemented discussing the dangers of texting and driving, and instituting laws and assigning fines have also been used to stop this hazard. While this has been useful for overall awareness, this has not led to noticeable decreases in the rates of accidents involving texting and driving. A gap remains between the awareness of the dangers of texting and driving and application of this awareness in solving the problem of deaths and injuries due to distracted driving. I explored the value of an instructional intervention to minimize these incidents. Since most incidents occur with people who have had their license between 1 and 10 years, the target audience for this proposed instruction consists of student drivers progressing through the state's graduated licensing process, participants in driver's training instruction, both segments 1 and 2, and high school age students, teens at a minimum aged 14 years 9 months through 18 years old. I've designed a learner-driven program using a constructivist approach to deliver distracted driving instruction through guided, meaningful exploration and investigation through the entire state's graduated driver's license process, using discovery learning. Each step of instruction and application for a different license type includes a portion of discovery, and here's why. In general, a constructivist approach provides the learners with a way to create situation-specific understandings by building upon prior knowledge from diverse sources that pertain to the problem they're trying to solve. The student learns when they are involved in real tasks based in meaningful context. One example of applying constructivist techniques is using discovery learning. Discovery learning involves inductive reasoning and problem solving, where the teacher arranges the activities that the learner uses to search or manipulate, explore, or investigate. In this proposed instruction solution, I've created 5 activities. There are 5 steps in the state's graduated driver's license program, and thus 5 steps in our proposed solution. The first step is included in the segment 1 of driver's training. The student driver training instruction will be offered using the flipped class format. Students will be provided links to 5 short 5-minute videos to be viewed outside of their driver's training classroom instruction. These videos will offer resources in minimizing distracted driving. Students will take online quizzes to test what they've learned, and immediate quiz feedback will be provided, and the ability to re-review short videos may also help clarify any points of confusion. Instructors might lead in-class discussions or create learning opportunities for collaboration where students put into practice what they've learned about texting and driving. The second step is involved in the Level 1 Learner's License instruction. When applying for the Level 1 Learner's License, the BMV will provide a brochure for students with general information on distracted driving and include links to relevant online materials. Step 3 is included in Segment 2 of driver's training. Students will have access to a weblog, and this weblog will offer the learner the opportunity to perform a hands-on activity or a simulation online and record an entry in their blog that discusses their experience. This blog then also acts as the log the student must present at Level 2 application to indicate completion of required daytime and nighttime driving hours. The fourth step is included in the Level 2 Intermediate License. So when applying for the Level 2 Intermediate License, the BMV will offer, as a part of their Segment 2 certification, a short video for students to view on distracted driving. Students will take an online quiz to test what they've learned about distracted driving. Immediate feedback will be provided at each question. A passing score on this quiz is required to pass the Segment 2 certification. Also, when applying for the Level 2 license, the BMV will provide a brochure for students with information on mobile phone apps that block texting while driving. This brochure will include links to cellular companies and free downloads for the apps each company offers. And finally, Step 5 is included in the Level 3 full license portion. When applying for the full driver's license at age 18 years, should the student present proof of insurance and present their cell phone with proof they have downloaded an app to block texting while driving, the student will receive a discount on the price of the license at the BMV. Thank you for your participation today, and thank you for the opportunity to present my proposed instruction solution entitled Student-Driven Learning through Graduated Driver's License Process. Thank you.